So over here you can see that I have a video clip right here, and if I were to go ahead and press the play button, you can see that this video clip has a certain speed. So if you want to go ahead and change the speed of this video clip, then what you need to do is you need to right click on this video clip right here and then go around onto speed and duration. Once you do that, right now the speed of this particular video clip is 100%, as you can see. So what you can do is you can make it 50%, for example, and press OK. And what happens is that you can see that the speed of the video slows down. Similarly, you can right click and then go to speed and duration, and let's say for example make it 200% right here and press OK right here. Once you do that, what happens is that this speeds up, as you can see right here. So you can go around onto speed and duration and click and drag this out as well, and you can see that the duration of the video changes with it. Let's say for example I want to make the duration of this video to 2 seconds right here, just like this, and it determines the speed automatically, just like that. So now if I were to press the play button, you can see that this is in a certain speed. But if I were to go around over here onto speed and duration, you can see that the speed percentage and the duration are linked up. If I were to go around and unlink this out right here, now if I were to change the speed to let's say for example 300% right here, the duration stays as it is. Meaning what is happening is that the rest of the video clip that is there, because this is not all of the video clip that there is, the in and out point is in a certain range. It'll bring in more content onto the video right here. Similarly, if I were to go around onto speed and duration and make it, let's say for example 1 second right here, then it only goes around and trims the clip into 1 second without affecting the speed. So that is how you can utilize the speed and duration option inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.